Hey guys, welcome back to Elite Growth Academy. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get Shopify clients using email outreach. If you've been struggling to land e-commerce clients or you're not sure how to write emails that actually get replies, this video is for you. Stick around because I'll be sharing proven strategies you can start using right away to get your next Shopify clients. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to go to Chrome browser or any other browser. So we search for ads, we search for Facebook ads library. So once we search for that, we click on the first link, which is Facebook ad library link, and here is the home page of the ads library. So here we can filter the country. Let's select United States for this tutorial. Then you apply it. So after that, you select the ad category. Select all ads and apply it also. So here, since we are looking for Shopify clients, we can just search for my shopify.com. Then you put space and you put in any niche you want, maybe pets. Then you click on search. So it will bring them from you like this. And so here you will see their link to the products they are advertising for. So you can just click on the link and open it in a new tab. Then go into the store and scroll down to the bottom. Then you see their privacy policy. Click on it and scroll down again. Once you get to the bottom, you will see their contact information, which contains their email, which is this. Then you click on it. So it opens their email for them. So that's how to write the best email template that gets replies quickly. So you just put in the subject, quick idea to boost sales for, then you put in the store name. Let's check in the store name, trending next global. So after this, you write your email. Hello, I came across your Shopify store. It was amazing. And I really like your, then you see find a product in their store that you can talk about. This one has dog, pet, bed. So we can just put it your dog, pet, bed. So that is how you find them. Then you put what you want to do for them. I specialize in helping Shopify brands, increase sales and conversions. I would love to share how to improve your website. Then you add a call to action. Would you be open to a quick chat? I would love to share a simple idea on how I could help you skyrocket your sales. So then you add your name, best it's Joshua, and your website link. You can just add your website link to it, and if you don't have a website, you can send it that way. Then you send. So that's how it goes. Then you can still go do the same thing for other store. Just go down to the link again, the link of the product they are advertising. Just find the store you like, that you see that. Just find the product, the link, open the new tab and open their store. Go down. Not all store have privacy policy like this, but here you can see powered by Shrine. Then you click on that. Okay, this isn't a Shopify store, but it also has a privacy policy. Let's check if we can see the contact information. Okay, this has no contact information. Then we can just go on to another store. Let's check this. Okay, these have the terms and policies. Here is the privacy policy for the store. So, and here is the email for the store. And if you see things like this black button here, you can just send your message there and you are good. They will also reply you using that. So I think you understand all the practical we have just did now. So that's it for today's video on how to get Shopify clients with email outreach. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to Elite Growth Academy, and turn on your notification so you don't miss my next video. Also, drop a comment below with my biggest challenge you face in reaching out to clients. I would love to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.